I think the market has started just now. The market has opened a gap up, but there is no huge, there are no big orders. Market has opened gap up, but there are no big orders. You can see this is a live market. In the meantime, we will try to analyze where is the supply and demand zone. Market in the market, there is no big movement, but there is a certain absorption happening in selling side. So the market is expected to go up. You can see the numbers in the selling side. These are all executed orders. These are all not waiting orders. So you kindly remember that these are all not waiting orders to be executed. These are already executed. This is the bank Nifty chart. This is the Nifty chart. It is going upside, but we have to wait for the confirmation. For the confirmation to happen, this candle has to close. Now I will shift to the 1 minute candle in the first 5 minutes. So I want to see what is happening in the 1 minute candle. There are some orders, but they are not very big orders. Although there is the cart is supporting the buy side. See, the candle is green and the cart, the delta candle is red. The market is still in the negative trend, but the candle is showing green, but there is no enough support for the buy side. Now you can, I'm thinking of taking a position in this candle with the stop loss about here. Stop loss will be somewhere here. This is a 5 minute candle. I'm not SCBI certified, and you guys have to take what do you say? Stop loss has been hit before I take the position. Before I took the position. Anyway, the market is expected to go up after the dip. So let us see. In this pattern, it goes up usually. So now the market is gone like this. It is expected to come like this, and 51,700 is expected for me. The trend is on the upside. The delta candle is on the is supporting the buy side, and big orders are coming in right now. Market is going to I'm expecting the market to bounce. So look at the orders here. 408, and these are all executed orders. These are all not fresh orders. These are all covered orders. Market is making new highs. This is the demand zone here. Demand zone is created here. So yesterday the market went up and came down again in the second half. However, today it is open, but I'm expecting the market to break on the upside. Expecting the market to go like this. I mean, market should go like this, and this is what I'm expecting. I'm not going on the put side. I'm expecting the market to go on the upside, so I will be concentrating on the calls. Market should break this candle now. Order flow analysis is very good. See, I told you the pattern. That is the pattern in which it will move. People who are trading plain candlesticks, beware, you should not be trading with plain candlesticks, because it is only like you are predicting what is happening in the candle. You won't know the perfect, you will never know perfectly what is happening inside the candle, like we know here. See, the delta here is 400, came to 8 in the second candle, now it came to 100. See, the selling side cart is only 7. And the delta is 97. First candle it was minus, second candle it was plus 500. First candle it was minus 500, then it went to 94. So we are trying to, the market is trying to consolidate in this range. So if it breaks this range, then the market will go up. So we will see. This is a small supply zone, but this is not a big supply zone. So there are no big numbers there. So the market is expected to break this point now. If it breaks that point, probably it will reach this point and then return to some, there will be some retracement and it might go up. So guys, always concentrate on order flow, and I'm not telling you to concentrate only on my videos. You can see several other videos also, like several videos are available on YouTube, and the thing is, nobody is telling you the truth about order flow. They are simply telling how to trade, whether they are going on the upside or downside. But I am telling you the reason of why it is why we have to take a trade. There should be an answer of why you are going to take a trade. See, from 94 it went to 263. This is the delta. So this candle is pretty stronger one in the first three candles. It's slowly developing on the upside, and now the moment it breaks this one, there will be a jump till this side. If it does not break this, if there is a rejection, there will be a downside. Already 15 minutes up. Now we will shift to the daily candle and see what is happening on the daily candle. This is yesterday's candle. I'm not able to see today's candle. Wow, there is a big breakout, and somebody who had traded, who had taken position on the upside, they are making huge profits. See, the cut has increased from minus 500 to plus 500, and now it is 1200. Clearly, the market is very bullish. Clearly, the market is very bullish. It is in the verge of breaking this line. Some profit booking is happening in between, but there is nothing to worry about that, and the delta is very strong. Delta is very strong. Sooner or later, somebody who's trading 51,200 call option would have made huge money, and now it is around the option is about to break 500. You can see how there is a transformation in the COT and COT ratio, and also the delta. The delta is reduced. That doesn't mean the market will always go up continuously. There is always a pullback. So people who took trade here, I've taken one position. I took one position at 460. 51,200. I took a position at 460 and closed at 498. I made 40 points. I made 40 points and easy 40 points. That is only happening because of order flow. Otherwise, I could not have taken this trade. Look at the orders here. This is all stacked buy orders. Stacked buy orders. These are all stacked buy orders. Now there is a fight on the opposite direction, and that is why there is a little pullback. We will see whether it will break this one. However, now the delta is negative, but stop loss what we have kept is here. The entry has become the stop loss now. I have exited my trade. My trade is exited. I will show you the trades at the end of the day. Usually 2 or 3 trades is the maximum what I take, but my trade is done now. We are done 40 points. Easy 40 points. I didn't rush to make money, or I didn't rush to buy the options. You have to buy options. What I do is, when it is option trading, it is clearly you have to trade in the volatility, not when the market is slow. When there is huge volatility, you have to trade. Otherwise, you are going to lose money. I don't know why the daily chart is not showing up. Let me refresh and see. I don't know why what's happening. This is a weekly chart, but it is not showing me any. This is a weekly chart. There are big orders on the upside here, 51,700. 51,700 is broken, it will go to 750, 800, and the next support target zone. This is the point of control for today. Sorry, for the week. It is this one. You can see the order here. And you can see the delta bar here. So 51,600 is where is the control point for the week. So you cannot see all these things on the daily candle. Or the plain candle. I don't know what's the problem, but it is not showing the 30-minute candle. We will see the 30-minute candle. This is the 30-minute candle, the first 30-minute candle. Now if it breaks the lower point, then a supply zone will be created. and you can see the zero zones here. There are no orders here. So 51,600, as I showed you, is the control point of control. This is a 30-minute candle, and the same is depicted in the weekly candle also. However, the daily candle is not visible or available right now. I will see what is the reason, and there should be some technical error. I don't know why the 20-minute daily candle is not available. Okay, I will try to fix it in the meantime, but now the market has to go up again. This is an engulfing sell candle. So if the market goes up, this is the fake candle. You can see this on the 5-minute candle. If it is real engulfing, things should be stronger. Candle is pretty strong. There is 400 sell side and buy side is only 28. So this green candle could be a trap. The market is trending downside. It could reach till 51,500. However, we will see there is nothing as 100% in the stock market. So it is all 90%. Even order flow, even after seeing order flow, it is 90 to 95%. Because we don't know who is entering the market and when they are entering. Anybody can enter the market at any point in time. Market has become slightly weaker at this point. Market means Bank Nifty has become slightly weaker at this point. So if it breaks the low of the day, there will be a rush of supply and the market could reach here. And if it breaks this, it will reach here. That is how the market works. It does not go in any random way, and it does not go in any whims and fancies. There is a pattern for the market is made to move in the way they want. I mean, the smart buyers or the smart money people, the institutional buyers, they are seeing what is happening in the market. Although this is an engulfing candle, engulfing bearish candle, the market is still trying to make it on the upside. A small delta candle developed here on the buy side. From 417 minus, it is become 47. So the market is trying to stay above this point. Staying above this point is very crucial for today. I have finished one trade of 40 points. And sooner you get out of the market after making money is better. Since this is an engulfing candle, red candle, I want some confirmation. Which is stronger than this. I want some confirmation which is stronger than this candle, or there should be one indicator which shows that the market is going down or up. I am not seeing any indication as of now. But this is one indication that this candle is one indicator that is suggesting that the market will go down in the near future. I am telling this based on the data. I'm not telling it just because I want to say that. This look at the cart. Cart is 437, and the cart ratio is 15 times more than the sell side, buy side. Buy side is 0.06 and the sell side is 15.6. So I am thinking that the market should go down sooner or later. See what is happening here. Market is trying to go up, but it cannot hold. It is trying to come. If it falls, it will fall like a stone till here. And this speed will be very fast while falling. Usually while going up, the market is slow, but it is faster when it is falling. There is an indication again that the sellers are coming in. Here in this candle, there is huge more number of sellers than buyers. These are all now small buyers. So the power of order flow is extremely good. I am not any promoter for any order flow or any other software or application, but the market is suggesting, the charts are suggesting that order flow charts are better than plain charts. See, the charts are next to each other, and you can see plain charts and you can see order flow chart. Which is better? You can decide. See, there was a buy here, it went up till here. There was a sell zone created here, it came down. Again, it's trying to go up. But if it has to go up, it has to cross this point. We have to take position only after this, crossing this position. Or if it has to go down, we have to take position only here. Once it reaches here, stop loss will be here. We always have to keep tight stop loss. I don't believe in 20%, 30%, 40% stop loss. Because that way, if 4 or 5 trades you take a 30% stop loss, your entire capital will be wiped out. Or the entire investment which you made on the trade will be wiped out. See, the market is trending downside. It is finding it very difficult to go upside. See, market is always finding it difficult to go upside. It might open gap up, but it is not always easy to hold and go up. But it is rather easy to fall down. So the market is going in a sideways. It has to break this point for any trade. So I will have a break now and I will be back in some time. Wonderful.